When it comes to choosing the best email marketing platform for design templates, many users find themselves stuck between two popular options, Campaign Monitor and Constant Contact. But which one truly stands out when it comes to creating visually appealing, professional-looking emails? Let's take a closer look at both so you can make a more informed decision. Stick around till the end for an exclusive recommendation you won't want to miss. Campaign Monitor prides itself on its user-friendly email editor and extensive design options. The drag-and-drop functionality is intuitive, allowing users to create stunning emails without any design experience. The platform offers a solid range of pre-built templates for different industries and purposes. But while these templates are visually appealing, the customization options can sometimes feel limited, particularly when compared to the flexibility you'd expect from a design-focused tool. Next thing to consider is the email builder's overall responsiveness. Campaign Monitor's templates are generally well optimized for mobile devices, which is crucial in today's world of mobile-first email engagement. However, some users have pointed out that certain templates, while looking good on desktop, might not translate as seamlessly on smaller screens. You might have to tweak them a bit to get the perfect look on every device. Now, let's talk about Constant Contact. This platform also offers an intuitive drag-and-drop builder, but what sets it apart is the sheer number of templates it provides. Whether you're looking for something modern, professional, or quirky, Constant Contact has options to match virtually any style. The templates are pre-designed with a lot of attention to detail, and you can personalize them easily, making it a great choice for those who want something polished with minimal effort. But here's where it gets tricky. While Constant Contact offers a huge variety of templates, some users have noted that the platform feels a bit template-heavy. You might find that, while there are many designs to choose from, they don't always offer as much room for creative freedom. Customization options are there, but they aren't as deep as some other competitors. The fourth thing to mention is integration with third-party apps and tools. Campaign Monitor does offer decent integration, especially for businesses using Shopify, Salesforce, or other key platforms. However, it's not as extensive as Constant Contact, which has a larger number of integrations. Constant Contact's integrations, combined with its solid template offerings, make it an appealing option for businesses looking for a more all-in-one solution for email marketing. Another important point is A/B testing and performance tracking. Both Campaign Monitor and Constant Contact provide useful tools for measuring email performance, including open rates, click-through rates, and bounce rates. However, when it comes to design testing, Campaign Monitor offers more flexibility with its A/B testing features, allowing users to experiment with different layouts and design variations. Constant Contact, while still offering basic A/B testing, doesn't give you as much freedom when it comes to design experimentation. In terms of price, both platforms are competitive, but Campaign Monitor tends to be on the pricier side, especially if you need advanced features. Constant Contact, on the other hand, offers more affordable plans for smaller businesses, making it a good entry point for those just getting started with email marketing. So, which one is better for design templates? If you want more options and flexibility, Campaign Monitor might be the better choice. But if you're looking for a platform with a massive range of templates and a more accessible price point, Constant Contact could be a great fit. However, after trying both of these myself, I think there's a better alternative for email design templates that might work even better for your needs. If you're looking for a truly unique set of design templates that will help your emails stand out in inboxes, check out the free trial in the description. This exclusive trial offers not only the best features, but also benefits that are only available to our viewers. Make sure to take advantage of that link for the best deal and experience firsthand what makes this option the go-to for email marketing design.